Good morning, welcome to the Weekend Diaries. Today we're off on an adventure. I've not been here. Well, there's a mix and match. There's some parts where I've not been for 20 odd years, some parts I've not been at all, and it's a bit of an adventure. Maybe it'll work out, maybe it won't. Pick you up when I get there. Don't want to give too much away right now because put it this way, I was up all last night, too excited to sleep about where we're going today. So this should be a good one. Catch you in a bit. Bye bye.
Well, that's a bit strange. It's telling me I'm going on the M4. I've got no idea why I'm going on the M4. M4 towards South Wales. I could be going somewhere completely different. Who knows?
We're here. If I'd have known we were going up a hill like that, I wouldn't have come.
On the Ridgeway, head southeast to follow the tour.
So I don't know whether you've caught that, but we are on the Ridgeway. We are elevated above Avebury, the village of Avebury, and Avebury Stone Circle. We're just going to get this coffee, drink this coffee, get sorted with the clothes on because it's really cold up here. Walk down to Avebury, one of the biggest stone circles in the world, definitely the biggest in the country. The thing is huge. It's more impressive than Stonehenge as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, we're going to go and have a trip down there. Welcome back to the channel. We are in Wiltshire, I think, maybe. Anyway, we are on the Ridgeway and we are going to go and walk down to Avebury Stone Circle. We've got to cross this road, hold on. Mud, straight away, mud. So this is the Ridgeway. It's an ancient trackway. It starts by Avebury and goes off to Ivanhoe Beacon. I think it starts at Avebury. I'm going to have to check that one. Either way, this is it. We are literally walking with the ancestors. So we're on the right way because we've got these handy Ridgeway signs. The trouble is, it doesn't actually tell you which way you're going. Oh well, I think it's this way. Look at this for a view. Better still, let me get the 360 up. So you have to wonder if those big stones there just either didn't make the cut or they've sheared off one of the bigger stones, or if they're part of some monolith that's long been forgotten. Does anybody know? No. Look at this wood. Good boy. We get caught out here in the rain. We are going to get soaked. Yes, we are. You know when you get these really good ideas and you end up in the middle of nowhere and you've got a stone in your foot and you need the loo and you've got no idea where you're going. Right down here, look at the mud, puppy. Look at the mud. Oh my word. say? Hill. Tired? Are you tired? Go back up the hill. Thank you. Don't fall down the steps.
No, you'll be there all day. That's right, isn't it?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Dying. We've still got 2 miles left. So we've come up the hardest bit, which is the steep part straight up from Avebury. Oh, I think it's pretty flat and then downhill from here. But going through that massive puddle, my feet are wet, which is making my socks rub. So I'm going to have blisters when I get back. So I'm now struggling. I'm struggling. Oh, 2.5 miles. See, part of me that was doing this is forgetting 5 years ago. 5 years and 2 stone lighter. It's the last time I did stuff like this. It's killing me. Jesus. Oh, did I just tell you? We've now got 2 miles back, 2.5, maybe 2.25 miles back up to the car, mainly uphill. See the cars. Oh my God, I can see the cars. Oh. I'm absolutely knackered. My feet are killing me. My boots got wet in that massive puddle, which means the socks got wet, which means I've rubbed. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Put on my feet. Put on my feet. Put on my feet. Okay. Okay. Blisters, but they've not broke. Ah, much bigger blister. Oh. Okay, we've made the decision to bail. It's freezing up here. It's not going to be a nice night. I'm going to be concerned about going back down that hill all night anyway. So I've made the executive decision to go home, get a hot bath, because me and the dog are absolutely knackered and having a good night's sleep. Whoops. Beeping the bloody car. Yeah. Oh well. Can't win them all.
Turn left onto Freeze Avenue.
Left. Left. We went that way before. There we can go. Right, we're going home. Had enough. I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm going to take lots of painkillers. My feet hurt. Got blisters. Legs are going to kill me tomorrow. Dog's miserable. It's damp. It's cold. Going home. Do 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 da 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 da.